in the underground, overground. This is SpinHype, SpinHype.
Tru Gong, ooh, Tru Gong, yeah. In the night when the drums do call, Ègúngún rises, the spirits stand tall. Ancestors dance in the moonlit air, guiding us with their loving care. Through the veil they come alive, in their presence we truly thrive. Ègúngún's touch, a sacred blend between the living and those who transcend. Ègúngún, Ègúngún, spirits of the past. Through your dance, our roots hold fast. Ègúngún, Ègúngún, spirits of the past. Through your dance, our roots hold fast. Ègúngún, Ègúngún, in your steps we find the wisdom left by those behind. Ègúngún, Ègúngún, spirits of the past. Through your dance, our roots hold fast. Ègúngún, Ègúngún, in your steps we find the wisdom left by those behind. Manifest your destiny. Boom boom, move mountains. Tru Gong. Ooh, manifest your destiny. Tru Gong, Tru Gong. In the crossroads where paths collide, Èṣù-Odara walks with pride. Messenger of the gods, trickster wise, with a smile that hides an eyes that surprise. He brings the choices, left or right, guiding souls through day and night. Balance he keeps both high and low. In his hands the secrets flow. Èṣù-Odara, trickster and guide. At the crossroads where paths divide. Èṣù-Odara, keeper of fate. With every step you decide our state. Èṣù-Odara, trickster and guide. At the crossroads where paths divide. Èṣù-Odara, keeper of fate. With every step you decide our state. Manifest your destiny, move mountains, Tru Gong. Follow me, manifest your destiny, boom boom, move mountains, Tru Gong. Ooh, manifest your destiny, Tru Gong, Tru Gong.
Bubba boom, Tru Gong. Da-da-dum, gong, oh, Tru Gong, yeah. I'm late, I've been held down, locked away. Shackles on my spirit, but now I'm here to stay. Oppressors try to silence me, blind me from the light, but I broke those chains, now I rise to new heights. They twist our words, use them like a weapon. Say jack of all trades, master of none, that's their lesson. But what they don't say is the truth we all know. Being versatile means we're destined to grow.
Sorry I'm late, but I'm free now. Time's up for the oppressors, backbiters, those brainwashers. No longer bound, I'm flying high, shining like a treasure. I've arrived, second gear, this journey's just begun.
Let's go!
Body beat, manifest your destiny. Boom boom, move mountains, Tru Gong. Manifest your destiny. Tru Gong, Tru Gong. knowledge did descend. Ifa's teachings are a timeless friend. With the wisdom of the divine array, we find our path in the light of day. Ifa, we sing your praise for the wisdom and the guidance you give us always. Ifa, with your knowledge so bright, you light up our path through the darkest night.
Olódùmare's mighty hand, call upon the cosmic might to bring forth wisdom pure and bright. In the sacred realms above, Orunmila was sent with love, gifted with the divine insight to guide the world with wisdom's light. Olódùmarè, creator true, gave us Orunmila wise and new. From the heavens to the earth, brings us guidance, brings us worth. In the cosmic realm so vast, Orunmila's wisdom cast. Through the Father secrets told, ancient truths and fates unfold. Olódùmare's plan revealed, in Orunmila's knowledge sealed, guiding souls with insight clear. From the divine the path is near. Olódùmarè, creator true, gave us Orunmila wise and new. From the heavens to the earth, brings us guidance, brings us worth. From the heavens to the earth below, Olódùmare's wisdom flows. Orunmila's divine embrace guides us through the cosmic space. Olódùmarè, creator true, gave us Orunmila wise and new. From the heavens to the earth, brings us guidance, brings us worth. Olódùmarè, creator true, gave us Orunmila wise and new. From the heavens to the earth, brings us guidance, brings us worth. Manifest your destiny, boom, 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 move mountains, Tru Gong. Oh, manifest your destiny, Tru Gong, Tru Gong.
Tru Gong, ooh, Tru Gong, yeah. Ocean goddess of the river, pure as morning dew, sent to earth with beauty bright, a love that's ever true. In the land of Orisha, they gathered all to plan, but without Òṣun's wisdom, their efforts failed to stand. She watched them from the waters where life begins to flow. Her essence was the missing piece, a truth they came to know. Òṣun's power of creation, the love that brings the rain. She blessed the world with harmony, and life began again. Òṣun, Òṣun, river goddess, hear our song. Your love flows like the river, pure and strong. Òṣun, Òṣun, bring light anew. With your grace, the earth is born anew. Òṣun, river goddess, hear our song. Your love flows like the river, pure and strong. Òṣun, Òṣun, bring your light anew. With your grace, the earth renews. Oh, Òṣun, river goddess, hear our song. Your love flows like the river, pure and strong. Òṣun, Òṣun, bring your light anew. With your grace, the earth is born anew. Òṣun, Òṣun, river goddess, hear our song. Your love flows like the river, pure and strong. Òṣun, Òṣun, bring your light anew. With your grace, the earth is born. You're gone, da 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 bum. But I want you gone, dum da dum, you gone, you gone there. In the quiet of the soul, where dreams reside, worry whispers, come take the ride. Guiding you with wisdom deep through the valleys of the sea. In the first story, when the world began, we was there, shaping the plan, choosing paths for hearts to tread. Ori leads where spirits are fed. Oh, Ori, Ori, guide of the sea, guide of the soul. In your hands we find our goal. Ori, Ori, with wisdom so bright, you lead us through the darkest night. The soul, in your hands we find our goal. Ori, Ori, with wisdom so bright, you lead us through the darkest night. Manifest your destiny. Boom, 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 mountain, true gong. Ooh, manifest your destiny. True gong, true gong.
The mighty forger, with iron in his hand, he cleared the path for humans in this fertile land. From the forest deep and dark to the open plains, Ògún's iron tools and weapons broke the ancient chains. With his strength and his skill, he shaped the world anew, building civilization with the iron that he knew. Ògún's fire in the forge, the hammer's rhythmic sound, brought progress and protection to the land around. Ògún, Ògún, man